Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're working on a Wix site and you want to hide a page, maybe it's not quite ready yet, or you just don't want it to show up in your menu, you might have noticed that things have changed in the latest version of Wix Studio. Today I'm going to walk you step by step through the updated process for hiding a page in Wix, since that old hide button has disappeared. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to keep pages out of your navigation menu and out of search engines, making sure only the pages you want seen are actually visible to visitors. Let's jump right in. So first, if you're used to the older versions of Wix Studio, you probably remember there used to be a handy hide button right next to any page you wanted to hide. But since the newer updates, that option is no longer there. Don't let that throw you off. There's still a straightforward way to accomplish the same thing. Start by moving to the Pages section inside your Wix dashboard. This is where all your pages are listed. Find the page you want to hide. For example, let's say it's your About page. Normally, you might click the three dots expecting to see Hide. You'll notice that option is gone, but don't worry, you haven't hit a dead end. What you want to do instead is go to your site's menu. Think of it like the roadmap that helps visitors navigate around your site. Click directly into your menu, and you'll see an option that says Manage Menu. This section lets you control exactly which pages appear in your navigation bar. Scroll through until you find the page you'd like to remove, like our About page. Hover over it, then click the three dots next to that page in the menu list. Here, you should see an option called Remove from Menu. Just click that, and your page will no longer be visible in your site's main navigation. Now, a quick heads up, removing a page from your menu doesn't make it completely invisible. If someone knows the exact link or if search engines have already found it, people could still potentially land on that page. So if you want to be extra thorough, there's one more step. Head back to the Pages section, and this time click the three dots next to your About page and select Settings. Here, look for the area called SEO Basics. This section controls how search engines see and interact with your page. Scroll down a bit until you find the option that says Let search engines index this page. Go ahead and turn that off. What this does is tell Google and other search engines, hey, ignore this page, don't show it in search results. Think of it like hanging a little Do Not Disturb sign on the door. Just a heads up, it might take a bit for search engines to catch up, but this step makes your page much more private. And that's it. With these steps, your chosen page won't show up in your site's menu, and search engines will skip over it, making it much less likely for accidental visitors to stumble upon it. If you got stuck at any point or something looked different on your end, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. I'm happy to help out. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe for more easy-to-follow Wix tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.